Hello boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday, June the 20th, 2023. I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars Sudoku and the 4 stars Sudoku. So 2 puzzles remain, the tectonic with 4 stars and the binary. Yes, it's binary at time, and this one will be number 6626. Yeah, 6626. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row there are always 4 O's, 1 2 3 4, and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Number 1, here no, there no. Between 2 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Then let me see. Between 2 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are rest are 1s. Correction. Yeah. 1 2 3 4. Okay. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Then I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, so that box should be an O. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here in the last row, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Finished in 2 minutes. Well. That's a quick binary. Wow, in 2 minutes. I'm surprised, yeah. Without comparing. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today. Tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.